Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir about 2 weeks ago on April the 6th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, around $148.46. And at this point my main assumption was that as long as this asset is hovering below the crucial level of about $162 and above the crucial level of $126, we don't have any confirmation of its potential trend. But if it breaks with the sustained volume this top, we might anticipate this next leg to the upside, or if it breaks this bottom with the conviction of volume, we can go to around $110 mark. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Palantir. I made my previous video at this point, somewhere on April the 6th, at the price point of $147. And since I made it, this asset had an attempt to retest this previous top. It failed, it didn't even touch it, and we had the next leg to the downside with an attempt to break this crucial level. It was also failed breakout, and guys, for now we are hovering exactly at the same point where we were 2 weeks ago. And from the technical standpoint, I see more clear picture of this most recent price action, and in a minute I will show you what I'm talking about. But before we dive deep into all of this, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to have the technical analysis on your particular assets on demand from the experienced trader, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what should we expect next from the price action of Palantir, what catalysts do we have for the upcoming month, and how we can benefit out of its movements. So let's begin with some fundamental news. First of all, we have to take a look at the general sentiment related to Palantir stock. And if you type in Google search bar Palantir stock and switch to news tab folder, you will see several recent news. And well, I will pay your attention to these two news within just a couple of minutes. And first of all, I want to show you this tweet that was written by Davis on April 15th and that was reposted by Arnie Tracy, the long-term bull on Palantir. This is the recent catalysts for Palantir, and they are the following. Golden Dome is projected to be a $185 billion project. Project Maven becoming the official program of record. It's huge. Next one, Trump endorsement. And you remember then that just several days ago Donald Trump tried to promote Palantir in his Twitter account, in his Truth social account. Unfortunately, it didn't help a lot to Palantir, but definitely Donald Trump pays his attention to Palantir, and in the long-term perspective, it might be very good, potential catalyst as well. Next one, Palantir's software used to capture Maduro, and we know how successful this operation was. Next one, US versus Iran. Yes, it is ongoing conflict, and Palantir is a very important part of this strategic partnership with US military. Next one, NHS, Skywise, Hyundai, heavy Stellantis contract expansions. Next one, CARP meeting with Japan's Prime Minister. And fired up Palantir base, May the 4th. And guys, all these catalysts are medium and long-term catalysts, and you might wonder what does May the 4th means, and here is the answer. This is the article that was published just yesterday, and it's titled Prediction: Palantir stock will make a huge move on May the 5th. Not the 5th, but May the 4th. And it will be an announcement of their, wait a second, I will show you right here, of their earnings report, and we have an estimation for earnings per share at the level of about $0.279 and the revenue at the level of $1.54 billion. So, time will tell, will Palantir beat the expectations, but as you can see previously, it beat pretty much all of the forecasts, all of the expectations from the end of 2024. Very important and I would say impressive results. On top of that, guys, I want to show you this article that is titled, wait a second, Palantir stock climbs 3.6% as US Department of Defense awards $10 billion contract. And here's key highlights. Palantir won Pentagon contract worth up to $10 billion, consolidating 75 Army deals for formalizing Maven smart system adoption. Mirai Asset Global Investment increased its Palantir stake by 41.7%, while the company posted $1.6 billion in 2025 revenue without federal taxes. Palantir shows short-term buying strength above key support, but mixed momentum signals point to range-bound consolidation between $145.5 and $149.5. Guys, the most recent activity, if we take a look even to at the so-called smart money investors list, we cannot identify the trend based on this data. And the most recent update in the number of shares which belong to institutional investors, well, as you can see, this number has a slight decline for the last month, which means Palantir, well, definitely is in consolidation phase, and we can see it on the price action. But what should we expect next? Let's continue with the technical analysis, and before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, the most recent price action, if I turn off all the tools, you can see that it is quite substantial on the one hand, but then we had very good bounces to the pretty much the same exact level where this asset was from the end of March to end of first week of April. And what should we expect next, guys? I didn't do a lot of updates on Palantir for my public viewers, but I made a video, several updates for my Discord members, and here's this breakdown. Let me show you that we are still not out of the woods. We might anticipate this movement to the this movement to the downside that will land again somewhere around 110 or maybe even $100 mark, or we might have this type of ABC to the upside that will land somewhere higher. And guys, how we can identify in which layout we are at right now? This is a very important point. First of all, we have two levels in common. We have pretty much the next potential leg we should have, the next potential leg to the downside for both counts, for bull count, for this one, wait a second, for this one that is inside the C wave, and for this one as well. And the main point where we can identify that this asset has a bullish count or bearish count is following. This is the point of potential 1-2 setup on a smaller scale of this breakdown. Might be the pivotal point to identify that we are in bull trend in this one, or in bear trend in this one. That is why, guys, wait for this retracement and it might take several days to land somewhere around $135 mark, and then we have to wait either for a movement to the upside that should be quite substantial and that should break this previous swing high. In this case, we will have more chances to see this as our primary count, or if it goes slower and if it again breaks this level, the only confirmation of the bear count will be breakout below this level with the substantial volume. In this case, we will be in this count as well. That is why, guys, well, unfortunately, Palantir during this consolidation phase is quite unpredictable asset. That is why be cautious with your position, but wait for the breakout of the crucial points. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you.